Hi, my name is Ivana Podlasińska and I am a mother and a passionate photographer. I started taking photos of my kids 9 years ago and then started photographing other children about 7 years ago. Then in early 2016 I started teaching other photographers how to take photos of their own kids and traveled all around Europe, USA, Canada, South America and also China with my workshops. Working with kids is challenging because they don't pose like grown-up models, but they act spontaneously. But there's nothing more satisfying than a photo of an adorable child. It's always hard for me to resist taking photos of kids playing. For a photographer, it's challenging to control the light, the settings, to compose an image and work with children at the same time. With this ebook, I share my tips how to make it easier for you. I will tell you all about my settings, ways to work with children, tips to find the best light and to compose your image. The book contains 30 case studies. You will learn how I took the photos step by step and how you can recreate them at home. We will provide cheat sheets so you always have the most important settings right at your hand. The book comes with a compendium of knowledge on photography and working with children. Each chapter contains lots of knowledge and inspiration for your photography work. Thank you so much, Ivana Podlasińska.